This brand new floor plan by Jayco is compact, easy to tow, and can sleep up to 3 people. It is perfect for first-time RVers or someone that's just looking for a lighter tow. Hi guys, it's Isabel here at WorldWideRV in Mesa, Arizona, and today we are checking out the brand new floor plan by Jayco. This is their J-Flight 130RD. Behind me is specifically stock number 13376. Now, this travel trailer has a GVWR of 3,500 pounds, so that makes this a way lighter tow. So as per usual, we're going to start on the outside and then we'll make our way in. Let's start here at the front. So you're going to have a 20-pound LP tank up here, and to my right you can see you have a pretty spacious storage area in here. Moving our way down this travel trailer, you do have a power awning at the top. That's going to be perfect to give you shade during a sunny day at camp, or if it's raining, you could go ahead and put that out and stay covered. In the back of this travel trailer at the top, it is prepped for a Lippert ladder, and right here, this is going to be your on-demand tankless water heater. All right, now we're inside of this travel trailer. This is pretty spacious. You do have a good amount of floor room, being that it is only 16 feet. One thing that I really want to mention before we go over the inside is the Jayco warranty. So this, as with all Jaycos, is going to have the 2-year limited and the 3-year structural warranty. That is the best in the industry. All right, but let's get into this floor plan. So up here, this is the front of the travel trailer. You have a nice spacious bed. On the side, you do have a little table, and you do have plugs for phones right here as well. And up here at the top, you have a really big storage area. You can fit a lot of different things up there. Over here on the kitchen side, you have a 2-burner stovetop, a sink, and plenty of storage inside of this kitchen area. This cabinet underneath the sink is actually really big. And right here is your 8,000 BTU AC. This is wall mounted, so that is going to give you a way better ground clearance whenever you're going to camp. You're going to be able to park underneath a tree that the limb might be a little bit lower than you would be able to if you had a roof-mounted AC. Across from your kitchen area, this is your booth dinette area. This does come down to sleep an additional person. I absolutely love the window right here, so you're able to look out at the view if you're forced to eat dinner inside one night because it's raining or something. And they did a great job. I love the storage at the top. There's even a little cabinet right here for some additional storage as well. Over on this side, you have an Envision microwave. This is exactly the same size as my microwave at home. Underneath that, you have a cubby area. This could actually kind of work for a pantry area if you got some bins that you could kind of put back and pull out. And underneath it is going to be your fridge. Now, this is a 12-volt fridge. And although it's not a residential size fridge, it is pretty big. You have plenty of room in here for wine, beer, and food, of course. And at the top, you have a mini freezer. So that works perfect. Plenty of room to bring those frozen things with you on your trip. And last but not least, this is your bathroom area. There is no sink inside of this bathroom. You just have the sink in the kitchen area, but you have plenty of room in here to do your business, move around. I would say I have plenty of room in here to change my clothes. Being that this is the only private area inside of this travel trailer, that is really important. And you're not going to be banging your arms on the wall when you're changing your clothes. Also, the shower inside of this travel trailer is super spacious. You're not going to be banging your arms on the wall when you're washing your hair. There is a little bit of a skylight up here for some additional headroom, and a really big plus is your shower head does pull down. So if you brought the dogs with you and they're all dirty from the lake, you can give them a quick wash down with this because the shower head does come down. All right, you guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this tour of this 130RD by Jayco. We do have it available here at WorldWideRV in Mesa, Arizona. I might have missed a few little details about this travel trailer, so if you liked it, make sure to come down here and check it out for yourself. We're located in between Higley and Greenfield. Our address is 4660 East Main Street. Hope to see you soon.